Hey book lovers! Want to unlock the secret to a harmonious relationship with your money? Today, we're exploring the concept of happy money from best-selling author Ken Honda. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and drop us a comment if there's another book you'd like us to dive into. Let's go! Ken Honda, Japan's most recognizable and influential money teacher, introduces the world to the idea of happy money. Instead of viewing money as a source of stress, Honda believes we should see it as a form of energy that can bring joy. He outlines the difference between happy money, money that brings joy, and unhappy money, money associated with grief, pain, and resentment. Key points. Money's emotional impact. Money, more than just a transactional tool, holds deep emotional significance. Our childhood experiences, societal pressures, and individual encounters shape our relationship with money, influencing decisions ranging from spending to saving. Types of money. Happy money. This represents funds acquired or spent joyfully, embodying positive energy. For instance, salaries from fulfilling jobs, heartfelt gifts, or funds spent on memorable experiences. Unhappy money. This stands for money that carries negative energy or experiences. Examples include loans that cause stress, money earned from a job you resent, or funds spent under pressure or regret. Flow of money. Money should be in circulation, much like how water needs to keep flowing. We disrupt its positive energy if we hoard it or stress about its lack. Ken Honda encourages treating money as a flow, allowing it to naturally come in and out of our lives. Gratitude and money. Every transaction, be it earning or spending, should be done with gratitude. Recognizing and being thankful for the money you have, and the opportunities it brings, can turn unhappy money into happy money and set the stage for more abundance. Money wounds. We all have past experiences or teachings related to money that have left scars or money wounds. These could be from childhood experiences, bad financial decisions, or societal pressures. Recognizing and addressing these wounds can shift our mindset and heal our relationship with money. Money container. Our capacity to hold wealth is like a container. We block opportunities for more wealth if we mentally confine ourselves to a small container because of limiting beliefs or past traumas. Expanding our mental money container allows more space for abundance and prosperity. Giving is receiving. This philosophy revolves around believing that the universe operates on a give and take flow. By giving selflessly, be it money, effort, or kindness, we set a cycle of positive return in motion. This doesn't mean giving recklessly but understanding that generosity often returns manifold. By embracing these principles, we change our relationship with money and pave the way for more happiness, abundance, and peace in our lives. Conclusion. Happy money isn't just a guide to financial wellness, but an invitation to transform our relationship with money. By understanding and respecting the energy of money, we can lead wealthier and happier lives. If you found this useful, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and comment below with any thoughts or books you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching.